Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good afternoon to you. Well, it's going to be one of those weeks you will need to keep the umbrella and rain gear on standby as we are watching for chances of rain, especially heading into the second half of the work week where we're expecting better chances, all thanks to two tropical systems that we want to call Marco and Laura. Let's start off with Marco. This is going to be the first storm that will be affecting the Gulf Coast heading into the next several hours. Currently, it is a tropical storm with winds of only 50 miles per hour. Now, the storm has run into some dry air, and that's why the majority of the rain and the gusty winds have been mostly on the northeastern quadrant over the Florida Panhandle, but New Orleans is already starting to get some cloud cover and some rain. Look at all of this rain to the north and to the east. This is known to be the more active, more dangerous part of the system. So definitely our friends in the Panhandle are getting soaked right now. But let's go ahead and take a live look in New Orleans. You can see the overcast skies there right now, showing that Marco will eventually be moving in over the next several hours. Tropical storm warnings still remain in effect for the Mississippi and Louisiana coastlines as they're expecting tropical storm force winds as we head into the evening and into tomorrow. You can already see wind speeds in some spots 40 miles per hour, 34, 27, 13. So all of this is going to continue to move to the north and then eventually to the west as the center will make landfall sometime over the Louisiana coastline heading into tonight, into tomorrow morning, and then weaken into a tropical depression as it moves into Texas. So that's Marco. Now let's talk about Laura. This is going to be the system that we will really need to pay attention to here in North Mississippi and West Alabama as we head into the second half of the week. Currently, it has sustained winds at 60 miles per hour. The latest forecast come from the National Hurricane Center still has it strengthening to a Category 1 to Category 2 storm as it moves over the warm waters of the Gulf. Sea surface temperatures are in the mid-80s. And that's what tropical systems need to feel themselves to get stronger, is that warm water. And that's what's going to happen with Laura. But still, I want to stress this out. The intensity and the track of Laura can still change between now and Wednesday when it's forecast to make landfall over the Louisiana-Texas coastline. It's then forecast to move up to the north and then to the northeast across the Tennessee Valley region. So for us, that means some heavy rain at times for us heading into the second half of the week. Anywhere from 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches could be reported here. Definitely the heavier rain amounts will be to the south and to our west. But again, all depends on the timing, the track, and the intensity of Laura. So this 7-day forecast right now could change. So keep it tuned to WCBI for the very latest. We'll be right back after this.